guys, welcome back to another video. When the iPhone 11 range was launched last year, we didn't see a lot of new features except an improved camera and a new processor. So, are we going to see the new iPhone 12 features that would want us to upgrade? In this video, we'll talk about the expected release date, features, price, and how the expected features in the iPhone 12 compare with the current ones in the iPhone 11. Expected features. If current rumors are to be believed, the iPhone 12 could be a 5G iPhone with the front camera embedded under the screen. This could mean that the notch on the top of the screen will go away, and Face ID will be replaced with an in-screen fingerprint scanner, i.e. Touch ID. All iPhones in 2020 are expected to come with OLED displays. Another rumor suggests that Apple will integrate laser-powered time-of flight 3D cameras, which will improve the augmented reality experience significantly. Apple could also replace the forest green color on the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max with navy blue. Battery life on the new iPhone is expected to continue to improve, and the screen sizes may change a little too. The iPhone 12 Pro Max may come with a slightly bigger 6.7-inch screen. iPhone 12 compared to iPhone 11. So overall on the new iPhone 12, we are looking at a new OLED screen with embedded cameras and Touch ID, 5G compatibility, which means faster cellular data, a revamped design, and a faster and more versatile A14 processor when compared to the iPhone 11. Rumors also suggest that the metal frame of the new iPhone 12 could be replaced. It will look very similar to the flat design on the old iPhone 4, but the back portion will continue to be made of glass. Expected release date. Apple will release the new iPhone 12 in September 2020, unless the production is delayed due to coronavirus outbreak in China. According to the latest statement by the Apple CEO Tim Cook, their factories in China are close to resuming full production. Expected launch price. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo has suggested that Apple is not expected to increase the price of the iPhone 12 range significantly. So, pricing for iPhone 12 models is expected to start at $749 with the iPhone 12 Pro at $1,099 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max at $1,199. That's roughly a $50 price increase for each of the models. We hope you found this video helpful. What do you guys think? What would you like to see on the iPhone 12? If the iPhone 12 was to come out with these features, would you consider upgrading? Let us know in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. Smash that bell icon to get new video updates as soon as they're released. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.